Welcome to Excel Academy, your one-stop solution for the company secretary course. In this video, I will be telling you your sources of study, or in other words, the books you must be studying for your CS examination. And in this list, please understand the most important book is the study material which ICSI has given you. The first and most important book which you should study for the examination is the study material. The ICSI study material is a very exhaustive piece of book where it covers all the concepts, and please remember the question paper is set keeping in mind the study material, and please remember you must give 80% importance to the study material. So 80% of whatever you study for a particular subject, 80% weightage is for the study material. Your second source of study is the guideline answers. The guideline answers are basically the answers for each attempt. So if you buy guideline answers for module 1, you will have the answers for all the questions of that particular attempt, like December 2016, June 2017, etc. So this will help you to understand what is the expectation of ICSI and what you should write in the answer, because this guideline answer will tell you for how many marks how much you should write and what kind of answer you should write, what is your presentation, etc. But please remember, look at the guideline answer only after you complete studying the study material, at least after each chapter. Not that you should complete the entire study material, but after the chapter you see guideline answers. I have seen some students who directly take the guideline answers, study that and go. That will not help you. Your concept will not be clear and you cannot write well in the examination. The third book which you should compulsorily have is the CS scanner. The scanner is basically a document where it has the statistics from which chapter, in which attempt, how many marks is asked, and what kind of questions they are asking. For example, are they asking in company law difference between case law questions, and for what concept, what kind of question is there. This will help you to prepare in a very focused manner, and scanner is extremely important. And scanner, you have some private publications like Taxman scanner is there, then there is Suchita publication scanner is there, anything is fine. So this book is extremely important, but again, after you study the study material and the guideline answers, then go to the scanner. Some students make a mistake, directly they see the scanner and they say, okay, this chapter, this is important, I will study only this. That is a very wrong approach. Yes, even if your exam is just 30 to 35 days, that is a wrong approach. Please study the study material, that is the core. If your study material preparation is good, the scanner is only going to help you further. The fourth important book which you should have for your CS exam preparation is the practice manuals, especially for practical subjects like your taxation, cost accounting, company accounts, or in professional program financial management, advanced tax laws, etc. The practice manuals help your preparation very well. Before you write in the examination, you will already have a practice on how to solve the problems, and the practice manual is extremely important. You can in fact download the practice manual from icsi.edu. The fifth book which you should compulsorily study is the Chartered Secretary. Chartered Secretary is nothing but the magazine released by ICSI on the latest articles on any particular field of law, that is anything related to corporate law. I have seen many questions which are asked directly from Chartered Secretary, and one good thing about Chartered Secretary is it is available on icsi.edu for free for students. You can just download it. You can just go to Google, you can just search Chartered Secretary and you'll get the entire Chartered Secretary, and just go through 4 to 5 Chartered Secretaries. If not for all the month, that is a monthly magazine, don't go for every month. Just go three to 4 Chartered Secretaries, and there'll be some particular articles. That article you can select and just remember that, and in any answer which is connected to that concept, you can quote that concepts, and it is very easy to study. And Chartered Secretary being a magazine, you won't feel like studying a textbook. It is not at all boring. It is like reading some magazine or something like that. So this is extremely important. Your sixth source of study or the book is nothing but the Student Company Secretary. This is a small magazine which comes to your house all the way from Delhi, and then we don't read it. And this magazine is also sent to you in email by ICSI. This has the latest developments of that particular field of law, and there are many questions in the exam which is directly from the student company secretary bulletin which you receive in your house. And in this bulletin they also give analysis of the previous year question paper after the corrections. So you will know for what kind of question, what is the expectation of ICSI. And even this is available in your email inbox or on the ICSI website. This is also very useful and very simple to study. The seventh book which is extremely important for you, especially for a subject like company law, is the BEAR Act. The Companies Act 2013 along with rules is the main document on which the company secretary course and the company law book is drafted. So you should know how to read the BEAR Act, and I have made a video on what is a BEAR Act and how to use it. You can check out that video over here, and then this BEAR Act will help you a lot in preparation, especially for company law and in CS professional for company law, advanced company law that is, and then the secretarial audit paper, the due diligence paper. Most of the papers are built around this Companies Act 2013. So having the BEAR Act is very important. If you don't want to buy one, you can easily download on your Android phone. There are many free applications for the Companies Act, BEAR Act. The last study resource for you is actually websites. For example, we have the mca.gov.in, that is the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website. There is Reserve Bank of India website, there is SEBI website, and you can just browse these websites just for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm sure you have that time. When you spend more than 1 hour on WhatsApp, on Facebook, etc., I'm sure you can spend 5 minutes on the RBI, SEBI and the MCA website. There are some latest updates in this website which will add value for your answer. Now you may ask me, why should we study so many books? The study material is already given. But if you want an edge over others who are writing the exam, you must write something extra more than what is in the study material. You know very well, somehow we can try and get 40 marks in CS exam, but trying to get 50 or 60 is difficult. So what do students who get 50, 60 or even 70 do? They do this. They study more resources than just the study material. And again I am telling you, study material weightage is 80%. That is the core. And the other 7 resources I told you is 20%. Give 80% importance to study material and 20% to all these other resources. When you study all these resources together and you write your answer will be perfect, and I am very sure you will score not only above 50, there is high chance you will score above 60 marks. I hope this video was useful, and if you like the video, please hit the thumbs icon, and also please subscribe to Excel Academy channel for company secretary course videos. And do share this channel with your friends and let us know your comments in the box below. And do let us know if you have used these study resources, and if you think you know some other resource which I did not tell, please do leave it in the comments. It will help your friends.